We are doing some more reaction videos today, and I am seriously pleased to tell you about a band I discovered by chance again, like most of the bands I discover. These guys called Sunver from Chile they've been following us on social media and all the platforms and everything. And I just realized that they have a new record out, and I was like, hey, how come I've never listened to anything of them? And I just heard like one song of their new record, Arumia, that dropped March 21st. And I thought to myself, I need to go on some like detail hunting and do my research, because these guys really, really, really know what they're doing. Lucky for me, their latest song, or one of the singles they released that I have not heard yet, is called Gone Eyes of the new record. And that is what we are going to do today. So we are checking out Gone Eyes by Sunver. I expect black gaze, and if you know me, black gaze is my game. So let's see what this is all about. I'm seriously intrigued, and I can't wait to get to know this band a bit better, because underrated as hell from the first song again that I heard. So let's see where this is going. So Sunver, Gone Eyes, here we go. Okay. Really nice melodies. I love it so far. I love it. Very, very ethereal again, but quite heavy as well. And obviously they sing in Spanish. I mean, duh. But it gives this a bit more where are my Alcest fans? This is right up your alley. Come on. Ooh, the change. I really like this extraterrestrial kind of vibe going on with the Spanish. I'm not used to listening to Spanish lyrics. I mean, I could be wrong, but it sounds... yeah, it's definitely Spanish. Light piano, synthesizer in the back there. Drumming is not so. really interesting mix. Again, it's kind of a bit heavier than what I'm used to in terms of black gaze and like shoegaze-esque music, but it fits. It's more post-black metal-y. Harakiri for the Sky, Alcest, all those. Again, the drumming is kind of different, faster. And this is, again, Alcest inspired. Very ethereal, very atmospheric. Ooh, nice contrast. Yeah, I really dig this band. Honestly, that was very lucky for me and for you as well, because those who know me know that this is right up my alley. All this shoegaze kind of aesthetic, and it fits very well. But then again, the drumming is more aggressive, like what I'm used to. But it's kind of really digging the atmosphere. I have to check out the whole record though. I will put everything in the link below to follow the band and everything, because this is, to me, this is again the proof that music is, we have no idea what is going on outside of our comfort zone. Mostly, like, I'm from Europe, Luxembourg to be precise, so we know our fair share amount of stuff here, but we have no idea what is going on in Southern America. In Chile, for example, a lot of underground bands, a huge underground scene worldwide. There's so many interesting artists, and this is definitely right up the alley. So Sunver, check out for that name, because I feel this is only the beginning for, especially in this aesthetic. This works very well. And yeah, let me know what you think. And yeah, that's it for today. See you for the next reaction video very soon. Cheers.